In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find, create, and assign quizzes on Epic. Click Explore to find books recommended by grade level for the subjects you'll be teaching. You can also search by author, title, or keyword. To find books with quizzes already created, click the quiz filter and select Only Show Books with Quizzes at the end. You can assign a book with a quiz to students right away. You can always preview a quiz by clicking the 3 question marks and taking the quiz yourself before assigning to students. You can create your own quiz by clicking the 3 question marks and selecting Create Quiz. You will need to add a title and at least 3 questions to your quiz. Click Publish and then Assign when you are ready to share your quiz with your students. Students can read the book and take the quiz you've assigned to them by logging into their profile and clicking on their mailbox. You can view your students' quiz results by selecting My Students and then Quizzes and clicking View Results. Thanks for watching. For more resources, go to getepic.com/educators.